Pre-built symbols, footprints, and 3D models greatly accelerate the product design process. However, sometimes models need to be adjusted to better suit your company standards and design preferences. This quick how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to modify schematic symbols from Librarian with EDABuilder. Librarian provides millions of verified components which are directly imported into EDABuilder to help you efficiently modify schematic symbols. Open EDABuilder and select File, Import, Symbol from UL. In the Import Symbol from UL window, select the manufacturer dropdown. Choose Cypress Semiconductor. To find this quickly, you can begin typing the manufacturer name in the dropdown. In the part number field, enter the desired part number. In this example, we will enter CY101 and select Search. View the returned parts and select a part to view the preview of the symbol. Select Import. The check form will appear reporting any errors or warnings found within the part. This window can be used to quickly identify, review, and resolve any issues. View the errors. For this example, the component model has used an invalid character for some pin names. In the Actions section, ensure Remove Invalid Characters is selected and choose Apply All to remove the invalid character from all pins reported in the Rows section. View the next warning in the list. In this example, the direction of TTL ground has not been defined. Select the different rows to review all the pins this has been reported for. Under Action, ensure Change Value is selected. Under New Value, ensure Ground is selected from the dropdown, and choose Apply All. View the final warning in the list. For this example, duplicate pin names have been used for several pins in the symbol. This pin naming structure was done intentionally to reflect the functionality of the component so it can be ignored. Select Close to ignore the warning. Now that the symbol has been imported successfully, it can be modified based on your style and functional preferences. The following steps will provide examples of some potential modifications. First, we will create a new section for the schematic symbol. Under the Section drop-down menu, select Create New. This will create a new section of the schematic symbol, allowing clearer definition of the pins. In the Width and Height section, define the height as 20 to adjust the size of the component. Next, we'll assign the desired pins to the second schematic symbol. Right-click the pin table and select Sort. In the Sort By drop-down menu, select Direction and Close. View the sorted pin information. Scroll down to the Power and Ground section in the table. In the pin table, click and drag to highlight the pins defined as Power and Ground. In the component view, right-click on a selected pin and choose Move Pins to Section. In the pop-up window, select 2 to move the Power and Ground pins to the second section of the schematic symbol. In the Section drop-down, select 2 to view the second section of the component model. Pin 84 TTL-Q9 was moved by mistake. Select the pin, right-click, and choose Move Pins to Section. In the pop-up window, select 1 to move the pin to Section 1. Now we will quickly organize the pins on the symbol. Select Pin 1 TTL-VCC in the schematic symbol. Click and drag to the desired location on the symbol and release the mouse button. The same method can be applied to groups of pins. Pins can also be moved up and down on the symbol. Highlight the desired pins, right-click and select Shift Selected Pins Up, or press Ctrl and the up arrow key on the keyboard. Repeat this process as needed until Section 2 is completed. Sometimes when moving pins, the height and width of the schematic symbol is automatically adjusted. If this has occurred, reset the height and width of the symbol to 20. In the Section drop-down, select 1 to navigate to the first section of the schematic symbol. Select Pin 84 TTL-Q9. Click and drag to the desired location on the symbol and release the mouse button. In the Width and Height section, define the width as 20 to create consistency between the schematic symbol sections. Right-click and select Remove Graphics. Schematic symbols can be exported in a format that fits the default style of your CAD tool. To configure this, in the Style drop-down, select OrCAD Capture or your desired CAD tool. Now that the symbol is configured the way we want, we can export it. Select File, Export OrCAD Capture Symbol. A prompt will appear to save the project before exporting. Select Yes. Select Browse and browse to the desired location to save the project. Click OK. To configure the export, under Library Directory, select Browse. Browse to the library location and click OK. Enter a name for the library. Check the box for Open Capture after export to launch OrCAD Capture and view the symbol after the export has been completed. Select Export. When the export is completed, a pop-up window appears to select the CAD software. Choose OrCAD Capture or your desired software package and click OK. In the project hierarchy in OrCAD Capture, double-click the schematic symbol. View the created symbol. Select Section B to view the second section of the symbol. Efficiently modify schematic symbols from Librarian with direct import and easy-to-use features in EDABuilder to create consistency for symbols throughout your designs. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.